inside, one outside. There comes another one. I wish the red tip would, the one with the red pompadour would come back. Oh, he found out how to get out. See, if there's another one coming, you can't see. He's out the window. One time I had two of them in there at the same time. I don't know what's going to happen. Oh, come on back. Where's that red-headed one?
Why don't we let Spike's father do the honors?
No, maybe they're not coming back. Oh, here comes basement bird, Miss Granola. Glutnola, I guess I should call her. Are you going to go in there after you caused so much trouble to Orange Eyes? The snow has melted since this morning. Still some on the ground, but not the trees. Okay. Is he going to get into the jar and just sit there and enjoy it?
Maybe you should spend the night. Well, the last thing that she said to me was she was going to let her secret lie with her. On the next One Life to Live.
There's his little head sticking out. Getting the trash out, I guess. Maybe he's a cleaner. His head stick. Oh, there he comes in now. Oh, Gletola, are you going to go all the way in and just sit there and eat?
Yep, yep.
Come on, get all the way in. You've got your paws in there, feet in there. Get all the way in. Oh, look at that. Cleaning up the nets, cleaning up the seeds. I thought you would clean up all the seeds out there. You're so funny. Okay.